Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. This is Apple iMac computer, and we've been talking about this. It's been a while that my husband finally decided to change his computer, so now we're getting this. And also, guys, I think for me, the best way to shop like this one, iPad, computer stuff, is to do it like back to school. This one is, they have also for educations or college, something to give you a free items, which is the AirPod noise canceling as well. And this is a tax free. Anything like back to school around the times, like the beginning, oh no, I'm not sure when is like August. Let's see, the first week of August, they always have back to school promo. So this is what it is, and we got a good deal because it's tax free, and also we have free. This is the one. The original price for this one is $179. It's because it's free and it's also tax free, which is really good. So let's show this one for now. I'm gonna stand up. So that's what it looks like. I do have an AirPad. Let's see. So there's is. And I don't think they give you a charging for this. To charge the iPhone or something. Let's see if they have one in here. Huh. It doesn't come with a charge anyway, so let's see that. Wow, I can even slide up. So this is the AirPod 4 noise cancellation. Oh, that's just free, and there's another one option as well with another AirPod 2. But you have to pay at least $70 because that one's $249 and you're only free for $179 AirPod 4. And so yeah, that's the one. And now let's move on to this. Okay, good luck to me. It's quite heavy, to be honest with you. Whoa. Okay. Let me move the chair because I'm just gonna move the chair for now. Okay, so I moved the chair because it won't keep going back. So let's see this. Yeah. Oh. So there it is. I choose there's a plus. Okay. So I choose the silver one because the lady I talked to, she said that people love the best seller color they have is silver rather than other colors because people coming back in a store and buy different one or exchange for some reason. And there is, let's see what comes. It's very light. Let me put this one on the, what comes with this? Of course, charger. I don't know what is this. Guess plug in the wall. I don't know what is this one. Okay, I don't know what it is. Maybe a RAM. And that's that. don't know what is this one. And then comes with Magic Mouse. That. And the kid pad. This is the kid pad. Kid pad. And I have no idea what is this for. Maybe for this. Yeah, this is for this one. And what else included over here? Yeah, that's pretty much include for that items and nothing else. So guys, that's it for my Apple iMac unboxing to you, and I thank you so much, and I see you guys on my next one. Bye.